The Sun is the largest object in our solar system. It could easily hold 1 million Earths. In fact, 98% of all the material of our solar system is inside the Sun. Our Sun's gravity keeps all the other objects in the solar system in regular orbits. For as huge as our Sun seems to be, it is actually only an average-sized star. When we look into the night sky, we can see thousands of twinkling stars. They seem so very small to us because they are very, very far away. The distances are so great that they are not measured in miles, but in light years. What is a light year? It sounds like a measurement of time, but it is a measurement of distance. It is the distance light travels in 1 year. Light travels at the incredible speed of 186,000 miles per second, which is like traveling from New York to San Francisco 62 times in 1 second. So to calculate the number of miles in a light year, you must figure out how many seconds there are in a year and multiply that number by 186,000. This number is close to 6 trillion, which is a very big number, especially when you consider 1 trillion is a million. About the only person that can relate to those numbers wears clown shoes and sells hamburgers. Well, anyway, the closest star to our planet other than the Sun is 4.3 light years away. That means it takes 4.3 years for the light from that star to reach us. In space, the distances are beyond imagination. But let's return home to our Sun and its planets that make up our solar system. Our Sun is just one of the 100 billion stars in our galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is far from the center of this huge galaxy. The Sun is made up of layers. The Sun's energy is created in its center, called the core. The temperatures in the core are estimated to be 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. This tremendous heat and pressure fuse or combine hydrogen atoms, changing them into helium atoms. This process is called nuclear fusion, and an enormous amount of energy is released. The energy moves through the radiation zone, and then the convection zone, where it finally reaches the surface, which is called the photosphere. The temperature at this level is about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The Sun's atmosphere has 2 layers, called the chromosphere and the corona. Energy from the core rises through the layers and is released into space as heat and light. People throughout history have realized the importance of the Sun to life on Earth. Without the Sun's heat and light, life as we know it would be impossible. Early people worshipped the Sun, and some civilizations even treated the Sun as a god. Scientists estimate that the Sun has been active for about 4.5 billion years. Stars, like so many other things in the universe, go through a life. They are born, are active for billions of years, and then die. Our star, the Sun, is probably going to be active for another 4.5 billion years, and then it will go through changes. It will expand as a red giant. It will become so large that it will reach the orbit of the Earth. Then it will shrink to an object no larger than the Earth.